In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Sketchbook app not working on your smartphone. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so if your app is not working, maybe it is not opening, or it is too slow, or it keeps on crashing, just follow these steps to fix it. In the first method, just go ahead and long press on your Sketchbook app and then tap on App Info. For this tutorial, I'm on a Redmi smartphone. However, this process should be more or less the same on any other Android smartphone. From here, we need to go ahead and clear the app data. So if I go to storage here, you can see a breakdown of data used by this app. Of importance is this cache data. When you talk of cache data, these are just small files that your app normally collects and stores to enhance user experience. However, accumulation of these files might cause your app to malfunction. To fix this, go ahead and tap on clear data and then choose the second option, clear cache. And okay, and now you can see our cache files have been cleared. At this point, restart your smartphone and then go ahead and open your app. In most cases, this is enough to fix most of the problems you are experiencing. However, should you still find any challenge, then you need to go ahead and clear all data by clicking on clear all data here and then okay, and then you need to go ahead and log in afresh for you to use this app. However, if this doesn't solve your problem, then you need to go ahead and look for your app through either Google Play Store or App Store and then look for any update if it is available. For my case, I don't have an update, but should you see an update, then go ahead and update your app to the latest version by tapping on update. By updating your app, you will be able to fix issues that might be associated with the older version of your app and also get the latest features that comes with this app. However, should this not solve your problem, then you'll need to go ahead and uninstall the app completely and then install it afresh. By doing this, you'll be able to remove or clear any bugs that might be causing your app to crash. So by using any of these methods, you should be able to fix any issues related to your Sketchbook app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.